Problem number 2 on trusses, which is shown in the figure. There are two elements in this problem and three nodes. Node 1 and node 3 are fixed, meaning is the displacement along x and y direction at both node 1 and 3 are 0. So this concept will be used when we apply boundary condition, so using elimination method. So only displacement at node 2 will be getting. So starting with the FE model, which is shown in here, node 1 is having displacement q1, q2, node 2 q3, q4, and node 3 q5, q6. Now next step is to plot a nodal coordinate data. Nodal coordinate data means the location of node 1, 2 and 3 with respect to origin. I have shown the previous page here. So in the right side I have shown you the xy coordinate with origin 0, 0. So all the truss problems you have to place in this coordinate system, that is xy coordinate with origin 0, 0, and you have to measure the distances of all the nodes of particular truss problem with respect to origin 0, 0. So in the current question, so looking at the nodal coordinate data, node number 1 is having a distance of 900x distance, and along y direction it is 0. And node number 2 is having a x distance as 500 and y distance 300. And node number 3 is having a distance x as 0 and y as 300. So this nodal coordinate data you can observe from the figure. Next step is to plot element connectivity table. So element 1 and element 2 is taken. So this is very important. Initial node is starting with 1 and final node starting with 2 for element 1. So length of element is 500. So that is measured by applying a Pythagoras theorem, and directional cosines L and M are also calculated using the expressions. So minus 0.8 and 0.6 we obtained. Element 2, for element 2 starting node is that is initial node is 2 and final node is 3. So again you can apply Pythagoras theorem to find the length of element 2. So in this case it is directly given. So length of element 2 is also 5. Cosines L and M for element 2 is minus 1 and 0. So these following values from the table are obtained from the expressions, which is shown clearly in the PDF. What are these directional cosines? How these expressions? So already discussed in the theory part. So this next step is elemental stiffness matrix. So this expression we already derived, and this particular expression is only for truss element. So apply this expression of elemental stiffness matrix for element 1 and element 2. So adding those matrices K1 and K2, so you'll be getting global stiffness matrix for a particular given truss problem, which is shown in the calculation part. Next is a global force matrix. At node 1 there is no force in the x and y direction, so F1, F2, 0, 0. At node 2 along x direction there is no force, so it is F3, 0. But along y direction F4, which is acting downwards, so minus 12 into 10⁻³ Newton. And again at node 3 there is no force along x and y direction, so F5, 0 and F6, 0. So continuing with the problem, equilibrium equation KQ equal to F, so writing in this form. Now since node 1 and node 3 are fixed, that is there is no displacement along x direction and y direction at node 1, so eliminate row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. So similarly node 3 is fixed, so eliminate row 5, row 6, column 5 and column 6. So thus by applying that boundary condition, so we'll be getting displacements at node 2, that is Q3 and Q4, that is Q3 minus 0.2 mm, Q4 minus 0.683 mm. So these are the displacements at node 2. Now stress in each element, that is element 1 and element 2. Again, this expression of stress is already discussed in theory part. So by applying that, we got the stress in element 1 minus 99.92 MPa and element 2 minus 80 MPa. Next is to find the reaction forces. So already know you will get a reaction forces wherever it is fixed. So here it is node 1 is fixed and node 3 is fixed. So mostly you will get the values at that node only. And node 2 will be getting reaction forces 0, 0 along x and y direction. So you don't need to calculate, that is you don't need to do the calculation for node 2, but anyway it is shown in the PDF here. So we got the reaction forces at all the node 1, 2 and 3 respectively in kilonewton, which is shown. Thank you.